Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Hope you're all doing well. We do have our second guest star. This is Seymour's brother, Marley. He's going to be helping out with the video today. We got a whole bunch of lettuce for him. Oops, hold on. So kind of going to be a quick video today. Not a whole lot to do today. You are going to be taking a quiz on vocabulary.com, which I mentioned earlier in the week. First, though, our learning objective is I can improve my vocabulary. I can improve my vocabulary by completing the vocabulary quiz on the words from the Harlem Renaissance article. So that article that we read on Monday and Tuesday, those are all the words you're going to be using for this vocabulary quiz. You should have been practicing all week, or not all week, but starting on Tuesday. You should have been practicing on vocabulary.com already for this quiz. It's going to be the same exact words from that article that you've been practicing that are on this quiz, okay? So if you have still not practiced at all, you should do that before you take the quiz. It's not going to be any surprises in there, okay? It's literally the same words from the practice assignment and the article. So do that first. When you're done, take the quiz. And then when you're done with that, you can complete any assignments that you did not complete earlier in the week. So if you're getting behind on the assignment from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, go back and work on those. Kind of going to be, the quiz shouldn't take too long, so you should have extra time today. Okay? So I'm going to show you really quick what this looks like. So I know it's a little different for on my side because it's the teacher version, but let me see if I can do Marley just whipped a piece of lettuce across he doesn't like this part, apparently. How do I do student view? Sorry, hold on. Let me just look really quick. Maybe I can't. Well, I'll just show you this then. So they're called the same thing, right? So this is the practice assignment, the Harlem Renaissance vocabulary, which you should have been doing. But then there's a quiz, the new one that says it's due tomorrow. We'll try to get this done today, okay? It's a quiz. So you're going to have 12 questions, and whatever your grade is on that will be what I enter into the grade book, okay? So don't take this if you don't feel like you know the words enough. You can practice as long as you need to using these assignments. All right, y'all. I think that's pretty much it for today. Join my office hours if you haven't yet. I keep having a couple new people join every day, which is really cool, so keep doing that. It's good to see you. I miss all of you, and I hope to see you eventually, but it's still nice seeing you in office hours. Okay, have a good day, everybody. Say bye to Marley. Oh. All right, bye, everybody.